Welcome to Eat, Pray, Plan. I'm Rebecca. I'm a wife, a homeschool mom to two adventurous boys, and I plan our lives one sticker at a time. In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks that have helped me plan a happy life in hopes that they can help you too. So if you want to see how I do that, come plan with me. I am so happy to be filming this video for you. This has been a highly requested video, and I am very excited to share with you my planning space. So it is not a whole room because I've never thought that in order for you to have a space for you to plan, to decorate your planner, to journal, to just be creative and have it be your own space, you don't really need a whole room in my opinion. I've always had just a little corner in our apartment. It was a little corner in our bedroom, and here in our new home, I share this space with my husband who does work from home. So he does have the bigger portion of the office, and really all I need is a little corner where I can have my desk and my bookshelf. So I am going to walk you through and show you in detail everything that I have in my planning space. I do have in my closet, I have those foldable bins full of like my past planners and just overflow of stickers that I don't pull, that I don't use every single week. But then everything that I use every single week, it's either in the bookshelf or at my desk. Okay, so let me show you my bookshelf first. Okay, so first off, I want to talk about my bookshelf. So this is something that I purchased recently, and I just wanted to have a space where I could store my tools and my extra agendas and just have a place where I could just have more than what I had at my desk, because my desk only has two deep drawers, two deep drawers, and that wasn't enough for me. Okay, so this is an Ikea bookshelf, and here in the first bin, I have my extra inserts. And here in the first compartment, this is one of the sticker storages by the Happy Planner, and I keep just extra inserts from my sub box from Cloth and Paper. These are all for personal size. Here are the ones that I printed, and I also have the pages that came in my personal planners because I use them just to like jot down quick notes and stuff. And then here in the second one, I have dashboards and I have accessories. So these are all just things that I don't necessarily, that I'm not using right now. But I do want to have them handy, because if I keep them in my closet where I keep a lot of the things that I don't use on a daily basis, I will forget. So that's there. And then I also have, this little, it's like a little pencil holder. I got this at, let me think, at Homegoods. So I am gonna try and link everything if I remember, and you can check the description box below. So here I just have my extra pens. I have here some of the washi tapes that I use. I have my tools, and then these are some samples for a planner that I am hoping to get from BDS soon. Okay, so here, this is it. This is all I really have. For me, honestly, when it comes to my planning space, less is more. So I don't like to have a lot out or even in my bins. If I have things that I still know that I'm gonna use, and I don't use them on a regular basis, I do keep them in my closet. Okay, so next we have, I think this is my favorite spot because it has my faith planner, it has my Filofax personal, my nude, and my 2 pocket planners. So these are the planners that I have in my current rotation, and then of course my Tombos because I love them. And then here in this bin, I just have, oh, this is a little project that I still have to do, but then I just have my tools. So my hole punch, my cutting thing, and then this is the pencil case that I use when I homeschool, because I do put in here my Kindle, my phone, my Tombos, and just grab this with my homeschool planner, and I can just go around the house with this. And then my lighter for my candle. Okay, yep, that's it. So nothing really exciting in this drawer, in this little bin, but definitely useful. Okay, then last but not least, here in this bookshelf, I have 3 of my favorite homeschool books, one of my spiritual reading books, and then my journal. And then here I just have one of my favorite candles, and these are my Gilio planners that I keep in the box when I am not using them. So this one is oh my goodness, look how beautiful it is. So this one is my personal Lotus, and then the other box is for the Croc A6 that I am currently using. Okay, so this is it. This is what I keep here in my bookshelf, and now I am going to share with you what I keep at my desk. Okay, so we are done with the little tour of my bookshelf that has my tools and my planners and some of my favorite books and my Gilios, and now let's move to my desk. So here at my desk, I keep my desk, I keep it empty of any clutter, and I only keep the essentials. So this desk is actually a desk that I purchased a few years ago, and it's held up really, really well. I love it. It is from Wayfair. And I keep here my my pens and my Tombos, my scissors, and my ruler that I use all the time. And then next to it, I keep some of the sticky notes that I'm currently using. So these are all sticky notes from Cloth and Paper, and I just keep them here. And then this little container I got on Amazon, and this is also from Homegoods. And this is a beautiful little plant that the boys got me for my birthday because they thought that I needed plants in my little planting corner, so I keep it here. Okay, so next I have, this desk has 2 drawers, one in each side, and they're deep drawers, which I like. So in this drawer, I keep another little like storage compartment thing. And then here I keep my most used stickers, my functional stickers. I keep here because I do use these rolls for my dots. Sometimes when I just have little sets of rolls, I just keep them in this bag so they don't get lost and I can use them. I have my most used sticky page flags here. And then this is the September calendar. And then here in the back, I keep all my sticker sheets because I do have on the other side, and I will show you all my sticker books, but I have been purchasing lately sticker sheets. So here I keep them all handy so I can just reach for them when I need to. Okay, and then here in the back, I have my little craft scissors, my tweezers, my pen, and 2 of the mild liners that I like to use in my planner. And here I have some other tools. So I keep my whiteout, my Tombow adhesive, my eraser, and some just paper clips and my Ollie clips. And then here I have, again, just some random pieces of paper that I use, and my Kindle charger. And here, oh yeah, so this one I've been using it to clip my headphones, but they're not here, so I'm just gonna leave it here and remember to bring them back to my desk. Okay, so this is what I have here, and then here I have some paper clips, my phone charger, my cutting board, and then my most used sticker rolls from AliExpress. Okay, so now we are going to move to the bottom part of my desk, which contains some other things that I do grab often. And let's see. So here I have paper. So this is the paper that I use to print my inserts. It is 32-pound paper. I have here some of my most used notepads, and then I also have here my inserts for 2021. So I did recently order my 2021 inserts from Elmon Paper Co. So I just keep them here. So when I am ready to set up my planners for next year, I have them handy. And because I am using A6 right now, I do have some extra A6 inserts that I have printed and cut out, just so I don't have to print them all the time, and I just have them handy. And then, let me see here, just some inspirational planner cards that I received, and this is a gift from one of my planner besties for my pocket planner that I'm going to add. Okay, so then I have this here, and then I have in this other one I have my my page flags, and I have more sticky notes and more sticky notes. So I just keep here the extra ones that I am not currently using, and I do rotate them so I can just make sure that I use everything. So this was a pack, like a pack of 3 like storage containers that I purchased at Homegoods that I love. So the brand is Nicole Miller. And yeah, so this is what I have on this side of my desk. Okay, so now let's move to the exciting part where I can show you my most used sticker books. Okay, last but not least, I have my computer, obviously, and then here is my favorite drawer. So here's where I keep my Happy Planner sticker books. So I definitely have downsized with the amount of sticker books that I own, and my goal is to only have sticker books in this drawer. So as you can see here, these are my most used sticker books. They go with the colors that I like, the way that I like to plan. I also have here the sticker books that I received from Jessica. So I do have a nice mix of sticker books, but they are just what I need. And yeah, I feel that doing this just has really kept me more focused and has really helped my planning style. So I just pull for the sticker books that I need, and they're right here inside my drawer. And then here on the bottom, I just keep my purse, like the purse that I'm using, and that's it. So this is how I keep my desk space. It is, I do consider that it is a very minimal space. It doesn't, I don't like having a lot of things all over, because it does make me feel overwhelmed if I feel that I'm cluttered. And it is a space that I share with my husband, who uses our spare room as his main office. Okay, so this is my planner space tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, I will link everything below, everything that I can remember as far as, the storage and things that I have shared with you. But if you do have any specific questions, do not hesitate to ask. I would be more than happy to help. And again, remember, you do not need a whole room to be creative and to plan your best life. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to turn on your notifications so you don't miss my weekend videos. Have a wonderful rest of your weekend. Bye.